Hello my nectarines, Nono here and I'm back with another video. So today we have a few goodies from Beetles. Well, not a few, actually a whole lot. This is basically their starter kit. It comes with 37 gels, I think, along with top coat, base coat, and all of that jazz. The only thing I don't like about the gels themselves is that one, they are 5ml, but also they come in a plastic bottle. I don't like plastic bottles for gels. I think it's just not nice, but for shipping purposes I completely understand. Now, because there's so many gels, you guys, I couldn't individually swatch them because that would be the entire video. So off camera I quickly went and swatched all of them, and here they are. You guys can see that they look really good, and this is with top coat on them. The only thing is they are a little bit streaky, but if you go in with 2 coats you are able to get like a nice solid looking color. Overall I think these colors are great. The entire kit is marketed for fall, so if you're in the US or anywhere there is fall right now, this kit is for you. I think the colors are absolutely lovely, and if I flip my swatch situation upside down, you guys can kind of see how they look when they matte as well. All of them are truly so pretty. I'm definitely going to be creating a set, grabbing a few of them. The next item that came with the kit is this cute little lamp. It is an LED lamp and it has a default 60-second on and off button. It does also come with a cable. This cable is nice and long, which is great for when you want to plug it a little bit further away from you. It is a 10-watt lamp and the nanometers are between 365 and 405. So it's quite a powerful lamp for its size, and I was pleasantly surprised by it. Also in the kit is this little baggie with cute extras. Let me quickly show you guys what you get in here. You get some soaking off foils. I don't know if that's what you call them, but yeah, the foils that come pre-made with a little pad so you can just saturate it with acetone. You get some toe separators. You also get a lot of stickers, which is great. I love stickers, especially the butterfly ones. You can always zhuzh up a set with the butterfly ones. You also get the French smile line ones, where if you want to make like a nice crisp smile line, these stickers are for you. So this kit is quite beginner friendly and I really like that about it. You also get some rhinestones, clear ones and silver ones, of course, and then you also get this little manicure brush. Now the shipping wasn't too kind to her, but you guys get it, it's a manicure brush. You also get a buffer and 2 100/180 nail files. This is great. You also gonna get like a whole set of little manicure doodads, for example, a nail clipper. You get this cute little nail art brush. You get a cuticle pusher with a cuticle cutter. This comes in very handy. I don't like cuticle cutters though, because if you're not used to them you can hurt yourself. You also get this really cute gel brush, and then lastly you get these nice blunt tweezers, which are great for picking up crystals and all of that. The last item you get are some loose glitters. Now they did send me another small box on the side, and when I opened it, in this one there were some 4 solid builder gels, and I think these are new because I haven't been seeing them. So they come in 4 colors and they are stiff, you guys. Like, these are perfect for someone who likes doing a lot of 3D nail art. And as you guys can see, you get like a nice light pink, a milky white, a darker pink, and of course a nice clear one. And then on the side there you get a top coat and a base coat as well. I pretty much thought I was done with the haul at this point, but then I realized there are more goodies underneath, and when I lifted the little plastic form, there is this little cute foldable lamp thingamabob. You guys remember these? They were popular back in the day. There was also finger gloves. Love these, they're very handy. Some gold and silver chrome powder. There was also some nail forms, and these are the nice ones. I'm so excited to try these. And there were square and stiletto nail forms. These look really nice and sturdy, and they fit really snug on the nail. They look like they're gonna work really well. We also have this cute pot of rhinestone glue gel, more rhinestones, a silicone tool, another what do you call this, another tweezer, but this one's very pointy, and another cuticle pusher, which is great. I loved this particular one. I thought it was really nice. I'm definitely going to be using this one. Then finally we had a silicone mold, a 180 file, and the cord to the small lamp. Whew. And that was everything, you guys. They sent me a lot of stuff, so I am grateful. I wanted to give you guys a quick PSA. The gels do have HEMA and TPO. So if you're in a country where the TPO ban is in effect, definitely don't grab these. I also noticed that on the solid builder gel as well, that it does have both HEMA and TPO. With all that being said, a big shout out to Beetles for sending me their products for me to try. I'll definitely be adding some stuff that I won't be using into giveaways as well, so please be in the lookout for that. But now let's get into today's nail art. I'm so excited for it. Off camera, I did go off and attach my full cover tips. These are the Tipex Instant Apex in the shape long coffin. I really like these tips, you guys. Once in a while I have to take them out and use them because the shape is everything. These are the shades that I'm going to be using from the kit. I think they're going to go together really well and complement each other. Lastly, this is our inspo for today. It's from Cherry Nail. I found it on Pinterest and I thought it was really pretty. I'll definitely be adding my own twist to the overall design though. I started out by mapping with a liner brush where I want the window situation to be, and so I'm just using it to map out whether I wanted to curve to the left or the right, and this really helped to just make it be nice and precise. Once I'm done with mapping out, I'm using the brush from the actual bottle to just quickly cover the overall space, and I did that for both sides. Now what really helped is starting with one section, curing it in the lamp for 60 seconds and then doing the other section. That way the gel doesn't bleed into each other. I also found it really helpful to use a little bit of cleanup brush with some acetone. That way my lines are nice and crisp. I really enjoyed this lamp. It's nice and small and it's quite powerful, you guys. Like my hand was getting warm in there. But this is how the nail looks after 2 coats. Really pretty. And then I went and did pretty much exactly the same for all the nails using the different colors, mapping out and then covering everything. And this is how we are looking once we are done with all the nails. The colors look absolutely stunning together. I was so happy. Now the kit did come with a matte top coat. I did test it off to the side and it is chrome resistant, so I'm going to be covering all my nails, curing for 60 seconds, and then we're going to be going in with the Beetles solid builder gel. This is the clear one. These builder gels are hard, you guys, and I really like that about them actually, because I find that with other ones they tend to get really soft and mushy as you work with them. These do not move, so much so that when it came to applying it on the nail, it wasn't even sticking to the matte. It wasn't sticking to the matte top coat at all. I tried my best to just like press it down. It would not stick, but I did come up with a solution. I went in with my sticky bond and traced out the area where the solid gel will be placed, and then place it directly onto that tacky layer, and this worked like a charm, you guys. Off camera, I went over all the 3D nail art using the liner brush that came in the kit. It did such an amazing job. And then my mixture of black gel and top coat. Now we're going to go in with the silver chrome powder that came in the kit. The little applicators are so cute, you guys. They have a little brush at the end, which made for like really nice dusting off situation. It's so cute, but it worked really well. The chrome itself itself was so pretty, and it was sparkly, and it gave like a really nice silver. And definitely mixing the black and the top coat always gives me a good result to my chrome, and it's always shiny and never glittery. I did notice that some of the chrome did end up sticking in certain areas, but that was not a problem at all. I'm going in with a gel brush from the kit with a little bit of acetone, and everything just came off beautifully. Off camera, I sealed everything off with my 9-wipe top coat. Now we're going to add some cuticle oil to finish off today's set. Definitely the color combos is my favorite when it came to the set. I felt like it's giving all the vibes that this kit is aiming for, which is pretty much all fall and autumn vibes. And I think that this set came out beautifully. Here it is, you guys. So lovely. Let me know what you guys think, of course. And I will be linking the kit in the description box. And a huge shout out to Beetles as well for sending the kit my way for you so I can review it for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and all that good stuff. And of course, I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Love you. Bye.